Hello, good afternoon. My name is Olive. What's your name? Koki, how are you today? You good? You're in the house or in the office? Mm-hmm. Okay, so Koki, your lesson for today is daily topic. Do the supplements work? Your questions answered. Okay, so let's now watch the video together, but I will put this text to your chat box so you can read also. Here is the video now.
Next, this supplement comes from an ancient source, ginkgo, also known as ginkgo biloba or the maidenhair tree. It's a very old species of tree that is native to China. Old as in ginkgo trees were around while non-avian dinosaurs were still stomping the earth. But let's fast forward from then to when humans showed up on the scene. Ginkgo leaves have been used medicinally for centuries, and extracts are used and sold globally. The central claim is that taking ginkgo supplements can help improve brain function. The extracts are usually from the leaves because they have high concentrations of flavonoids and terpenoids. Flavonoids are a type of antioxidant, which means they may be able to help limit damage to the cells of your body. These potential effects are everything from reducing inflammation to fighting cancer. Terpenoids can do that too, but they also keep your blood moving by counteracting clotting factors so you don't end up with more clots than you should have. So in general, both of those chemical classes fall into like the good category. The catch is that even with those promising ingredients, the research on ginkgo extracts improving memory is a bit dodgy. A double-blinded placebo-controlled study in the journal Physiology and Behavior looked at how 5 days of ginkgo extract supplements affected memory test performance in 30 volunteers and found no difference in memory performance compared to controls. But that study was small, it was brief. Surely bigger and longer studies could find benefits, right? Well, that doesn't seem to be the case either. A 6-week
Okay, you want to answer now, Koki? Listen again, all right?
Next, this supplement comes from an ancient source, ginkgo, also known as ginkgo biloba or the maidenhair tree. It's a very old species of tree that is native to China. Old as in ginkgo trees were around while non-avian dinosaurs were still stomping the earth. But let's fast forward from then to when humans showed up on the scene. Ginkgo leaves have been used medicinally for centuries, and extracts are used and sold globally. The central claim is that taking ginkgo supplements can help improve brain function. The extracts are usually from the leaves because they have high concentrations of flavonoids and terpenoids. Flavonoids are a type of antioxidant, which means they may be able to help limit damage to the cells of your body. These potential effects are everything from reducing inflammation to fighting cancer. Terpenoids can do that too, but they also keep your blood moving by counteracting clotting factors so you don't end up with more clots than you should have. So in general, both of those chemical classes fall into like the good category. The catch is that even with those promising ingredients, the research on ginkgo extracts improving memory is a bit dodgy. A double-blinded placebo-controlled study in the journal Physiology and Behavior looked at how 5 days of ginkgo extract supplements affected memory test performance in 30 volunteers and found no difference in memory performance compared to controls. But that study was small, it was brief. Surely bigger and longer studies could find benefits, right? Well, that doesn't seem to be the case either. A 6-week
Okay, so let's now answer some questions here. The video talks about health supplements. Do you take any vitamins or supplements every day? Mm. Supplement. Mm-mm. How about food or vegetables or fruits? Are you taking some? Mm-mm. Like, for example, what kind of fresh fruits? Mm-hmm. 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 Kiwi, yeah, I like kiwi. It's rich in vitamin C. Mm-mm. Is it free? Why? Uh-huh. Mm. Wow, you're lucky. It's free in your company. Um, okay. So it means this is for you actually, for those people going outside, and when you come back to the office, you can get them free. Okay, one of the benefits. Mm-hmm. Well, you should eat a lot. It's free. Grab it. Yeah, you should eat a lot. It's a good snack at the same time as well. It's healthy. Mhm. Is there any freelance also in your company? Free lunch? No freelance, only fruits. Mm-mm. Your company is a Japanese company? Mm-hmm. Wow. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's a global company, right? Yeah. That's why. So no wonder. Okay, let's move on to question number two. The speaker mentions eating a large meal. What is your largest meal of the day? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Dinner. Ah, why dinner? Because dinner you will sleep only at night. Mm. Why dinner? Tell me. Mm. You live alone? Okay. Yeah, I heard that many times because I think the members of the family are complete for dinner. Yeah, the children and the parents. Mm-hmm. 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 Right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you eat a lot in short. Mhm. But for lunch, how's for lunch? You eat also outside or in the company? Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you have to pay for that, or you have to pay only a little amount? Price, yeah, okay. Outside. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. So question number three, do you think taking too many vitamins can be bad for your body? Ah, as long as it is given by your doctor. If the mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Discharge from urine, right? Mm-hmm. When you urinate, it will go to your urine. Mm-hmm. I don't know only other vitamins. If it will, they will stay in kidney. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Because I'm taking also some maintenance medicines, and my doctor gave me this medicine also for the kidney, so I won't get get ill with this kidney problem. So, but I don't know about vitamins. Vitamin C, I agree with you because I'm taking vitamins every day. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes, that's true. Okay, let's now proceed to number four question. When you feel sick or tired, what do you usually do to feel better? Mm-hmm. Sleep. Mm-hmm. Well, I think you should eat a lot also to feel yeah, yeah, to get stronger. Mm-hmm. Down, yes. Mm-hmm. But it's good. Mm-hmm. 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 Sometimes it is good for us to get sick because we can be rested at home, right? Yeah, maybe one or two, three. I think it's okay. Because if we continuously work and there's no rest, it's bad for our body. We need really rest. And the only time we can rest is when we have colds, fever, or yeah, but it's good, but not will take us longer, maybe for 1 week or 2 weeks, that's bad already. 2 to 3 days, okay. Yeah. you can rest your brain also, your body physically, right? Mhm. You can rest. Okay, question number 5. The video talks, or what is this? The video talks about traditional medicines. Are traditional medicines popular in your country? Mm, Campo. Mm. Where can you buy this campo? The pharmacy? Where can you buy this campo? Not in the pharmacy? The pharmacy. Okay. Yeah, chemical drugs. Mm-hmm. Like this one, like leaf. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Seeds or something like that. Mm-hmm. 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 Have you tried campo? You never tried. Of course, me too. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-mm. Of course, because I mean, psychological, we feel that, oh, this is good medicine for me because it is approved by the Food and Drug Administration in the Philippines. But if you will try this one, maybe at the back of your mind there will be doubts. Is this will really can heal me? Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Well, I think some people believe, depends on what people believe. For example, if you believe this medicine will heal you, it can heal you. There is what you call placebo effect. Have you heard about the placebo? Yeah. Even this water, if I say, oh, this will heal me, even there's no medicine, yeah, it will heal me because that is your faith on that water, right? But maybe that goes also the same thing with this campo because some people believe, oh, this will heal me. Yeah, of course, because there are some maybe testimony or witness that they were healed because of that campo. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But actually, I have this personal story about my friend who has a cancer, and she went to a Chinese store that recommends her to try this. These are branches of, you know, like branches of the tree and then leaves and then I don't know what's that and it costs a lot and then or just boil them and then drink and she believes she improves her situation but eventually she died also because it's cancer. It's very expensive also but she believes and I think for some time she still get well but later on she died also because of I don't know what's the reason of her but because she has cancer already. Number 6, do you usually trust health advice you see on the internet or on YouTube? Mm-mm, mm-mm, doctor. Ah, AA also. Okay. You don't immediately go to the doctor. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. 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 You don't believe. Mm-hmm. That's true. But for to be sure, you go to the doctor, right? I get some information only, but I don't 100% believe. I still go to the doctor. And then I ask the doctor about that what I got from the internet. Okay, question 7. How do you make sure you get enough nutrition from your daily food? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Balanced meal. Mm-mm. Yes. Number 8. If you want to improve your health this year, what is one habit you will change? Do you have a bad habit? Mm-hmm. 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 This is only your exercise, running. Mm-hmm. 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 How about sleeping habit? Do you have a good sleeping habit? Mm-hmm. 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 How many hours do you usually sleep a day? Yeah. For adults, I think that's ideal. But 7 to 8. Yeah, that's minimum. Yeah. But for older people like me, sometimes 5 to 6. But I usually go to bed early, 8 to 8:30, and I wake up 3 to 3:30 a.m. Mm. Yeah, yeah, I own the world by the time. Nobody will disturb me. Everybody's sleeping. Yeah, I can. Well, I do some meditation, I do some prayer, and then after that, I cook, for our breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Mhm. Okay. Yeah. Question number 9. Do you think people spend too much money on health products? Some. Mm-hmm. 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 That's right. Too much. Mm-mm. Yeah. For me too. Mm-mm. I think. To, mm, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-mm. Some people they have a lot of money, so they can spend a lot on their health. Yeah. Yeah, they can afford to buy all kinds of vitamins, or they can go to the best doctor. Yeah. Okay, number 10. What is your favorite healthy food to eat when you are hungry? Healthy food. Mm-mm. Raw sushi. Raw food. How about raw eggs? Do you like raw egg? Yeah, but yeah. I heard that because your eggs in Japan is very good quality, you can, yeah, you just put on top of the rice, right? But you put soy sauce? Soy sauce. Okay. Thank you, Koki. Nice meeting you. Have a nice. See you next time again. Bye bye. Have a good day.